Yes, so if you're new to this channel, I'm really quickly gonna explain you all about myself, describe myself. So I'm Prayani and you're watching 5 Senses of Art, and this video we are gonna draw, countries as people. The topic is countries as people, as I added a short and I told you guys to comment which topic you would like to, watch me draw or watch me craft. So basically the majority said that please do this, drawing countries as people. So today, yes, I'm here and I haven't uploaded recently. The reason is, you also may be having your final exams right now. Same is the case with me. So let's just go back and jump into the video. So I'm drawing the folds of the girl. So basically you may be noticing that I have already drawn, already sketched, already added the tiny details. The thing is that this isn't a normal tutorial video, right? So I'm just gonna voice over with you so I can communicate with you, really good, really nicely. It is not gonna be boring like, those painting tutorial videos. This is like, me drawing and you seeing and listening and just getting the experience of the drawing and how I have drawn this. So yes, this isn't some real stuff. It is very cartoonish. It is anime style and this is the first time in my life I'm drawing this style, so I'm way out of the comfort zone right now. So yes, and I have drawn hair, I have drawn dress. Yes, dress is really complicated, trust me, it was really complicated, to draw as much as it sees, at least triple times difficult than that. So yes, so let's now jump into the culture of this country. So Italy has a really vast history. Every country has a really vast history about it. So I have not drawn like the traditional dresses, stuff, because I want to add these colors. I want to add its culture, not like traditional dress. Plus, Italy doesn't have a traditional dress. It has at least 5 to 6 traditional dresses. So I chose to just add the colors and add a bit of culture. So the first thing that comes in my mind when I talk about Italy is pizza. Yes, it is my favorite food. So yes, Italy is very rich in, you can say, cooking things, cooking culture. Yes. So yes, so I have drawn pizza. First you may be seeing I had drawn pizza box, but then afterwards it wasn't looking quite great, so I draw a plate and in it a pizza. Yes, it is making way more sense. And I know that skin color is not looking that great. That is actually, I have added that purposely, intentionally. The reason is that Italian girls get tanned really quickly. Okay, I have done a lot of research about Italy. Yes, and you know that Italy is really fond of ribbons, you can say. All that ribbons, laces, even in their traditional dresses they are added. They are like fond of ribbons and laces stuff. So Italy's flag is green, then in between white, and then at the last red. So that's what I have shown in the dress also. And then I'm going to extend that color from top to the bottom, even in the tiniest of folds. And as you know that white is like white, so I just try to shade it with pencil, add all kinds of art techniques first. Oh yes, you may be wondering that what type of, these are not markers. Yes, these are not markers, these are not sketch pens, these are brush pens I'm using. And trust me, they are pretty difficult to use. When the second time I used these, I leaked one of them. Okay, that was, I think, because of the paper quality. So you have to keep a stiff quality of paper, you have to take a stiff quality of paper, plus you have to, it should be really, you can say, smooth. Okay, if it has even a bit of texture, it is not suitable for your brush pens. Okay, so yes, brush pens are also used for watercolors. Right now the frog may be seeming really pleasing to you. Actually, I have done that intentionally also, because in this picture only two things are coming, in the cultural part. One is the dress, and second is the pizza. So yes, the pizza isn't that attractive, you will see afterwards also, but the dress should be the main focus of the audience, because it's just getting all the points, all the details of drawing, and it's just bonding them together. So for the when someone sees your painting, it should be a delight for them to see it. Okay, it just isn't like they are seeing and it's okay, fine, it's good. It should be a delight for them. So yes, I'm just coloring the skin right now. This water brush pens, I think this was my third or fourth time practicing, you can say, or sketching with them. These are really flexible, really good. I have taken Camlin ones here, the 24 set, yes, 24 set, and actually they are really good. If you want a substitute for markers, brush pens I think are the best. Just use them lightly. I'm going to tell you some details about them. So yes, in the plate, what happened that I thought that this gray was like light, and then I found that it was very close to black. So yes, a plate bit, a piece of it moved a bit for that, but else I think came out pretty well. I'm like pretty happy because I was just practicing with brush pens and this masterpiece came out. Yes, and one more thing, you may be noticing that after that circle I hadn't recorded anything. The reason is that my battery went out and I didn't realize it until the masterpiece was finished. I saw the mobile and it was discharged. Yes, so there you have it, my Italian girl. Hope you like it.